Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize workflows in Notion in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come here on notion.so. Then you need to log in into it with the help of your email account if you haven't already. Over here, when you hover over to the left hand section, you are going to see all of your workflows that you have created previously. So you can just simply add a new page, then you can name it as my workflow. After that, you can add the tables over here. For that, simply press backslash, then search for table, then you can add the table here just like so. After that, you can just simply providing the tasks over here like I have given. Then in the rows, you can add the data. After that, you can make the view from the list to the board view, and you can use the drag and drop feature like we do in the Kanban in order to basically drag and drop all of your tasks from one section to the another. Now, if this sounds too complicated to you, you can just simply use this method in which you can just simply go to the Notion marketplace over here just like so. After that, you can use the search bar here on the top and you can simply search for Kanban board. Now, once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different Kanban boards which you can basically add absolutely for free in your Notion workspace. So let's say I'm interested in this one. I really like this one. So simply click on the option of add over here. It will take some time and it will add it here in your board. As you can see, we have it here. Now we have the to-do list in progress and completed. So this is what we want, right? So you can click on any of these tasks over here. You can change the task as per your need. And once you are done with this task, you can just simply drag it from here and drop it here very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.